friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Chris are going to do the yoga challenge. We're gonna see how this goes.
My name's Chris. I can't touch my toes. I run a mile in 9 minutes.
What's up guys, my name is Avery. I did cheerleading when I was a child. I did kickboxing on and off. I would say I'm pretty flexible.
This is easy.
Let go. Let go of my
Let go what?
No hands, no hands.
It hurts.
Okay.
I did it. I did it.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
I feel like, you know, that sushi where it's rice and then there's shrimp on top of it.
What the hell is that? I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
My back doesn't.
Dude,
go straight.
I'm literally doing the work.
Yeah, but my back doesn't go straight like that. What do you? That's not right. That's not right. Ah! The legs and then they go up.
Go.
Going up.
We did it.
We.
Come here.
I try to do the worm.
This one should be easy. Feet like this. Straight, like, now hold my hand. Hold my hand. Now go like this. Put them straight. Ah! No, it needs to be on my ass, not my badge.
Go, woman.
Okay, go.
What the?
What the? I can't believe
Put your legs
I
up.
can't.
Put your legs.
My life flashed before my eyes.
I caught you though.
I know. Oh yes! We semi did it!
We did it, kind of.
This is the coolest thing we've done. No hands. No hands. No hands. Oh you! Oh! Your dog before it throws up. That's the next one.
Just gotta hold you. Oh, I don't have that strength. Bro.
What if I just like what?
Up on this couch.
Left!
Can you scoop? I'm doing it.
We're doing it!
Nice.
Wait, no. Ow! Ow! My whole back cracked! I got it! Go under! Quick!
Just crawl?
Yes!
Here I go.
Oh no! Please! Please! Asshole to asshole, are you ready? What are you doing? What are you doing? Asshole to asshole.
I think.
I got the dizzies.
Me too.
That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed us struggling and sweating while doing yoga.
I didn't struggle.
Ah!
It hurts. It was easy.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at avery.zg, avery.zg. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at averyguterres_.
Underscore.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.